In primetime news this evening, Salvation Army under scrutiny amid concerns of misuse of charitable donations.
Owner of a store left devastated after thieves walk away with everything.
And MP for Northwest St. Andrew sued. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Andrea. So, Sagicor Bank Jamaica has placed the lands under mortgages for the Hambani Estate development owned by First Rock Real Estate Investments into receivership. I'll give you the details a little later on in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports. Jerry?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, with the number of sexual offense cases against local high school coaches increasing, the government is making a move to address the issue. We'll tell you more about that and more a bit later on.
I wonder how. That's interesting. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the Reggae Girls' 4-0 loss to the United States?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.